Hi everyone, in this video I'll create text revealing animation using HTML and CSS. Initially I'm adding two span with text inside a heading tag. Then decorate the H1 with font size, weight and color. Next decorate the span. It should be position relative and display block. Now I need to cover the text with background color. For that I'm using before pseudo element. Initially translate X should be 0. Then copy the whole thing on after pseudo element and change the background color to white. Here translate X should be -101%. Next I need to call the before and after pseudo elements of the both span using nth of type. Before using it, I need to create two keyframes animation based on translate X. Adding the animation on both pseudo elements respectively. Finally come to the nth of type and adding animation delay. Here we go. If you find this helpful, please like and comment. For more videos on web design and development, please subscribe to the channel.